Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Beko brand dryer and you're getting an error 14 or an ER14 or an E14, depending on the model. It'll display a little bit differently, but it's basically the error 14, and you're wondering what this is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So basically, first of all, what is the ER14? The ER14 is that the dryer has a humidity sensor to know when it's finished drying the clothes, and it will give you this error 14 when this sensor has been sensing humidity for too long. Basically it's running and it should be drying, and eventually the sensor should sense that it's dry inside the drum. And if depending on the model, if after a certain amount of time, very often it's 300 minutes, which is 5 hours. If the thing's been turning for 5 hours and it's still not dry in there, it will give you this error. So there might actually be nothing to do other than just to restart the program, because what you might have done is just put something super wet in there, and it's just so wet it's taking a really long time to dry. But I would empty the water reservoir and just restart the program, and that should get the problem fixed. But anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.